Here's what normally happens. If steam is blowing out or condensate is dripping in the plant, it's hard to imagine that is a lot of money lost because it's just water, right? And along the way, we have efficiencies lost. So when we come in, we look for both the obvious and hidden areas of loss. The results are that for most facilities, they're not looking at a few thousand or even tens of thousands. We're dealing with numbers that are in the hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars of savings annually. We can bring high value and clarity on how to make sure your steam system is running at 100%.